Ben's Story, Fingerland. This is the mall of Fingerland. There are 5 levels and the lowest one is Basement 3, Basement 2, Basement 1 and 2. On every level there is shops. Basement 2 there is indoor playground. In Basement 1 there is a foot court. This is Fingerland Pool. This is Fingerland Soccer Field. Second page. This is the hockey place. In all different sports they play in green, yellow, or black. The end.
Yeah.